to Australia and New Zealand a couple of times, but it's my first time really in the real Asia, and so I have so much to learn. I think there are so many interesting things about your country, about the way, what it means to be a Christian here, about the relationship between Christian faith and racial and ethnic identity, about the relationship between Christian, Muslim, Buddhist, and secular people trying to have one society together, and to try to deal with the religious differences in relation to economic and political and social class issues. So the kinds of issues that you deal with on a daily basis here in Malaysia, in many ways, are so much more complex than what the typical person in my country is aware of. And in that way, I feel a great sense of humility and a desire to learn from you in these days that we're together, and I believe that will be the case. I was a pastor until 1 year ago, and I left the pastorate after 24 years. I'm still a member of the church where I was pastor. I tell people that my ministry at the church now is to be an example of how to treat the pastor.